Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you tips and tricks for cheap car insurance in the UK. So, car insurance is crucial for every driver, offering protection from financial implications arising from accidents, thefts, fire, or vandalism. In 2023, the average UK car insurance costs around £692, with a projected 5% increase in 2024. Now, in this case, we'll be giving you some tips and some options. So, firstly, opting for a cheaper car can significantly reduce premiums. Cars fall into different insurances groups based on factors like performance, safety, and repair costs. Lower group cars like the Volkswagen Polo or Hyundai i10 incur lower premiums due to their affordability, reliability, and lower risk factors. Now, secondly, comparing insurance quotes from various providers is essential. Websites like Parkers or consulting with dealers can help determine cars' insurance group, aiding in decision making. Before comparing, understanding the three main types of UK car insurance, so third-party and third-party fire and theft, and comprehensive is crucial. While third-party is the cheapest, comprehensive offers the most protection. Thirdly, increasing your excess can lower premiums. The excess in the amount paid in claims before the insurer contributes, and opting for a higher excess shifts more responsibility to you, reducing premiums. However, ensuring the excess is affordable to avoid financial strain during claims. Lastly, paying annual rather than monthly can save money by avoiding interest fees. While monthly payments may seem convenient, they often come with additional charges. Paying annually eliminates these fees, leading to a significant savings. Now, ultimately, implementing these strategies, you can potentially save hundreds of pounds annually on car insurances. Remember to choose a car wisely and compare quotes diligently, adjust excess sensibly, and opt for annual payments whenever feasible. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.